Good day, sir and ma'am. My name is Jamaica Diquinto. I am 26 years old from Philippines. I am married and blessed with 2 children, ages 9 and 2. My husband is a farmer, my father is a driver, and my mother is passed away. I have one brother and one sister. I am the eldest child in my family. I am Roman Catholic. My highest educational attainment, I am high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking, cleaning, and singing. I work as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 3 years, since January 2018 to January 2021. I serve 3 members of the family, such as one couple and one child. My main duties are cooking Filipino foods, wash the dishes, cooking, taking care of a child, maintaining the cleanliness of the house, gardening and marketing, ironing. I am kind, honest, trustworthy, loving, caring, and having a positive mindset. Sir, Madam, if you hired me as your domestic helper, I promise I will treat your family as my family, and I will obey your policies and do my duties and responsibilities. I'm hoping you giving me the opportunity to work as your domestic helper. Thank you.